Okay, trying to install a Decoder Buddy today by Nick's Trains. I'm putting it in an old Athearn P42. So let's just go over with what I've done so far. You can see here I made some mounts for the Decoder Buddy. So they're screwed in through the chassis into pieces of wood. And then it's screwed in at the top. Forget these little holes here, I made a mistake. So go over the wiring so far. We've got here the engineer side, I believe, right hand pickup, which is a red wire. Leads into, I believe, track B. Same thing underneath here on that tower. Again, soldered, and leads into the other end and the other side of the Decoder Buddy here. And then we got the I guess the conductor side, and this piece here, this bracket, takes power from the chassis, and again it feeds through to track A, and there's another wire also soldered onto that bracket, and it goes to the other end of the Decoder Buddy. I broke the pin off at the bottom of the motor, piece of electrical tape to isolate it from the frame. There's then the gray wire from the bottom, orange wire from the top, and you can sort of see there, if I can zoom in, how I've connected it. I guess the next step will be the decoder and lights. Anyways, any feedback you have would be appreciated. Thanks. Bye.